I love adding fruits to my breakfast, so let me show you this recipe of blueberry pancakes. 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons powdered milk, 0 fat, low fat or full fat, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon white vinegar, half teaspoon bicarbonate of soda and full teaspoon of baking powder. And here I have 3/4 cup of water. First, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together and mix them very well. Second, I'm going to pour in the water step by step and keep mixing. Now that all of the flour is mixed very well, I'm going to add white vinegar. Now the batter is ready. I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes so that we can have more bubbles inside it and help the vinegar react very well. Now the batter has rested. I'm going to add half a cup of blueberry and mix it very well and then start cooking them. Now we're going to start doing the pancakes. I'm going to put 1 ladle in a heated pan and wait for it to start cooking. Now the edges, around the edges, when it starts becoming cooked, I can then flip it to the other side. You can tell when it starts cooking when it starts forming these bubbles here. Flip it to the other side and let it cook for another minute or less than a minute. I'm going to clean the non-stick pan if it has any residue like this. I'm going to put the second ladle. ساعتين.